Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to play a game in the Duplo World application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the little bricks on the bottom of the page, and just click on the game that it's available for you. If it's available, then it means it doesn't have like this orange lock on the screen. So just open it, and as you can see, this game is for children, by the way, so you have to like build this little Lego racket, and you have to build it in the exact order, so just drag the elements in the correct order, and it's actually a very useful and nice game for children. And once it's successful, you can like either repeat it or just go and find another game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.